Now, working with Uber and Lyft or in the gig economy, it could be a great thing. You can earn money, you can get experiences, but can it hurt you having a gig work for your only income if you're looking for a job? Well, let's talk about this right now. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And this is kind of a hot debate when it comes to, will gig work help or hurt you if you're looking for a job and you've been doing gig work for a little while? And by a little while, I mean several months to several years. So could this actually hurt you or help you? Well, it's going to be both. There could potentially be a good and a bad when it comes to gig work. But when it comes down to it, if you know how to market yourself, if you know how to take your weaknesses and your strengths and put them into something that's stronger, then it's definitely going to be a pro. And it will not hurt you in the long run. But sometimes it could, and depending on who you are, yeah, unfortunately, it may hurt you if you're looking for a job to replace gig work, driving, food delivery, whatever it might be. There's several qualities that you can gain when it comes to it, especially customer service skills, dealing with customers. Anything that's customer focused is going to be a major bonus when it comes to whatever you may be looking at. But unfortunately, like I said, some employers might look at it and say, this isn't really something that we want. Why is there such a work gap between when it comes to, this job that this person had 6 years ago to 3 years ago, but for the last 3 years, they've been doing gig work. So some employers may have that mentality, but Lyft is actually bringing out something that can help drivers. It's called the Driver Accomplishment Letter. So what the Driver Accomplishment Letter is if you're eligible, it can generate an accomplishment letter as proof of the time, showcasing your star rating, total rides, time on the platform, passenger compliments, and more. And what's included in this accomplishment letter? It's going to be, depending on availability, the information is going to include your full name, when you started driving with the month and the year, the total number of rides, and if that amount puts you in the top 20% of drivers in your region, current star rating, current tier is only for platinum and elite drivers, average hours driven per week, number of passenger compliments, and an AI-generated summary of positive rider comments. Now, when it comes to the eligibility, you need to be able to have the following criteria met, and that is an active driver account, driven on the platform for 90 plus days, given 150 rides in the past 2 years. You must maintain and have a 4.9 or greater star rating, minimal safety flags or incidents in the past 500 rides of 2 years. And then how you can request the driver accomplishment letter, you can go into the driver app, open the main menu, select account, select your info. Under the driver header, select driver accomplishment letter, follow the prompts, review your info on the accomplishment letter, enter an email address to send it to, and then it will be sent to you. Now, this accomplishment letter may seem like a joke at first, but it's actually not. It's actually going to be something that is going to benefit you. So you can actually attach it with your resume. You can attach it if your future employee or job seeking opportunity arises and actually hand it to them, let them see what's going on. And it can only further bolster what you have said. So if you're saying, yeah, I had a lot of customer service skills that I've had on the job, dealing with irate people and trying to calm them down, dealing with drunks, dealing with whatever it might be. All these different people that you've been able to help, you can turn into strengths, which is going to only help you in a position that you may be searching for. So yeah, something like this accomplishment letter could go a long way when it comes to looking for a job, especially with those gaps in worker-employee relationships when it comes to gaps in them, like driving for the gig economy or delivering for the gig economy or anything like that. But I want to know, what do you think about this letter? And have you had one? Have you tried getting a job? What have your experiences been when it comes to trying to get a job? Are you seeing some problems or issues when it comes to gaps in your worker history? And then, having an area or a time frame where it's gig work? Let me know in the comments below. Now, did you know that Tesla drivers are getting 1-star ratings and getting canceled on quite a bit? Well, check out this video right here, and we're going to explain a little bit more. All right, with that being said, we'll see you in the next one.